Hey guys, good day, good day. Fall is here. Halloween is right around the corner. I showed you guys a video of the house being decorated for Halloween. I always do that. I got to put some candy. I had the candy, but I didn't put it in the bowls yet because the girls would just eat it. So I have my chair covers on the back of each chair, the skeleton. I do it for every holiday. I put up different the chair covers every year. Anyway, let's get into this video. I'm making a parfait. I have my little cups right there. This is going to be a nice dessert. It's going to have Teddy Graham cookies. That's what we're going to use for the base of the for the bottom of the parfait. We're going to have sliced bananas. We're going to have dipping caramel sauce that's going to go in the parfait. And we're going to have chocolate chips. And for the cream on top, we're going to use some heavy whipping cream with a little powdered sugar. Now, I know this might seem like it's going to be sweet, but it's not going to be that sweet. The only thing is really sweet is the caramel sauce. We have the semi-sweet chocolate morsels, as you can see there. Caramel sauce, bananas. I'm going to use the cookies for the bottom part of the parfait. Then on top, we're going to have the whipping heavy cream and the powdered sugar. And we're going to use butter for the cookies when we crumble those up, okay? All right, guys, stay tuned for this nice dessert. Okay, guys, so I have my honey graham teddy bear cookies crumbled up. Now I'm going to add some melted butter. And I'm going to mix that together and I'll be right back with you, okay? Okay, guys, so now I have my cookie crumbs mixed with the butter. And oh my God, it smells good already. I didn't want it too soft. So I made mine kind of look like semi-small, but not so much. So I'm going to use like half of this and put it in the bottom of the bowl. You see me just smashing it down. Smooth that out there. Okay. Then I'm going to go around the edges to make it even. I'm going to put some in the middle too, so just be patient. Now I'm going to add my caramel and my bananas. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm adding the caramel, and I didn't let it get too soft because I don't want it like a liquid. You're going to see how I'm doing this. Just going to spread it just a little bit, get it all around. Now if I would have let it melt, it wouldn't have been this I wouldn't say difficult, but it would have been a little more easier to do. But that's okay because we're almost at the end of this. I'm going to show you how this looks. My hands are clean. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this. See? Now I'm going to cut my bananas up in here. I'll show you that. Now, guys, you see I have the cookie crumbs and the caramel. Now I'm going to add the bananas. Start from the outside into the end. Want everything compact together. I'm going to show you after I finish, guys. So you see the pattern that I'm doing. Now I'm going to come in the middle with the bananas. And that is it, guys. Be right back. I'm going to add another layer of the, I'm going to put chocolate chips on it. And then I'm going to add another layer of the crumb. So guys, now I'm adding the chocolate chips. Not going to put a lot, just to give it some texture. Okay, so that's enough of that. Now I'm going to add another, I'm going to do another cookie crumbs, and then I'm going to add the parfait. I mean the cream, but maybe I'm just going to do the cookie crumbs. We'll see. We'll see how this turn out. Just hold on. So guys, I have my chill stainless steel bowl that I got out the freezer, and I also chilled the whip. You know, the right here. I can't even get my words out right. I chilled those as well. So we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And it's going to yield 4 cups. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I did like a tablespoon because I love vanilla. I'm going to mix this up, but you don't need to hear me making all this noise. So I will be back with you guys. Real quick, guys, I had to turn this off. I'm already at 4 minutes. I have to beat this for 8 minutes. You can see it's getting like a peak. So I didn't want to do it while I was running because it's so loud. But I'm at 4 minutes. Make sure you have your bowl cold. You put it in the freezer, and you do the whisk as well to have them in the freezer so it'll be cold. And I put it a half of cup of confectionery sugar in it. So let me beat these for another 4 minutes. I'll be back to you guys, okay? So guys, this is my parfait. And as you can see between the layers, we have the golden graham teddy bear cookies with the butter. That's our base, right? Then we have the Cool Whip. I'm sorry. We have the bananas, and then we have the caramel. We have the caramel, then the bananas. And then we make another layer that we just repeat the layer with the cookie crumbs again, the caramel, the bananas. So what I did different, to give it a little color, I added some strawberry syrup, just any type of strawberry syrup that you want. And I just made a little pattern on top, and then I put my chocolate chips on the top, and I have chocolate chips in the middle as well. And then I have my little Halloween decorations. I see one of my pumpkins is upside down. So we have the black bats, and then we have the pumpkins, and I just went around the whole parfait like that. And this is a nice little fall dessert for me. Not too sweet. You can control your sugar content on you know how much sugar you use. I mean, it's up to you, but I'm trying to eat a little lighter, so I made my own whipping cream with heavy cream. I use heavy whipping cream. I use 2 cups of whipping cream. I use a tablespoon of vanilla, and I used a half a cup of confectionery sugar. But some people like their whipping cream sweeter, but I feel like I had bananas, which has its own natural sugar in it. And then the honey graham cookies, they have a sweetness to them. And then the semi-chocolate morsels have a sweetness to them. And I also added some strawberry syrup on top. But like I say, you can control your own sweetness with this. And I think it came out great. I'm getting ready to put it in. This is my first fall meal. Dessert, I'm sorry. Check out my playlist for my desserts, guys. One of my was it my not your mama banana pudding? Oh no, it was my strawberry tres leche cake. I think that's the one. It got over 7,000 views. So I love doing my desserts. As I tell anybody, when I first came to YouTube, I always baked and cooked and made goodies for the family, but I developed a real passion for desserts once I came on YouTube. So um, I'm getting better at the game. That's what I would say. So I love cooking. I love baking. All of you that follow me, you know your girl love it. I'm just here to spread love. If I can't hit you with God's word to feed your soul and your spirit, I'm going to feed your belly with my delicious, delectable food. Thank you guys for joining your girl. Try this recipe out. I will put the recipe in my description, okay? Check out my playlist. I put up a video today about my haunted house, and I did all the voice work for it, starting it. I just love doing crazy stuff like that. I'm an Aquarius. That's me. Don't make up excuses for it, but that is me, and I love doing that. So, okay, guys, so check out my playlist. I have Halloween recipes and like food that I cooked for the holidays when I would give a Halloween party. I'm not doing that this year because I had the knee surgery, so I'm trying to pan back from standing on the legs so much. I do my exercise every day, but I got a lot going on, so I'm trying to pan back from that. But anyway, check out this delicious recipe. I'm going to put it in the top of the freezer because my freezer, thank God, gets pretty cold. So I'm going to put it in there for like 15 minutes and then I'll serve it to my family. Thank you guys for joining your girl. God bless.
Hello, guys. Thank you for coming. God bless.